Stage one of turning the ship around and increasing sales is really simple. And that is to start taking your own online pickup orders. So this is important, Craig. This means not just using Skip the Dishes, but actually having your own online ordering capability so that your people can order directly from you and come to pick it up. So we're not talking about replacing Skip the Dishes. We're just talking about anyone who was ordering through Skip the Dishes or any of those places and coming and picking up, you were losing a commission. Now they can order directly from you and you don't lose the commission. More importantly, this actually creates a sales increase. Even if you're using Skip the Dishes and DoorDash and all that for delivery, simply putting your own online menu to be taking your own online orders for pickup increases your sales 30%. Now, I say 30% because you can research the internet and find that number all over the place. Our experience with our clients is it's considerably more than that. And it's twofold, Craig. It increases your sales and it immediately pulls back all of the takeout orders that you were getting from the third parties that were charging only from 10 to 30%. So not only do you get more sales because people now see it happening, but you also get to pull back some of the stuff that you had coming from those other people that was losing you that percentage. So it's huge.